Are you playing, Jocelyn?
Yeah.
What's on your head? Do you have antlers?
Oh, I did antlers.
Deer antlers. Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh. Look, so sweet.
Oh, that's a clacker. Pretty cool, huh? What else do you have? Ooh, some bells. And a maraca. More bells. And another clacker. Look at you. You're a little band.
This is my bed.
That is your bed.
What is a
Maraca. What do you do with maracas? Shake a, shake a, shake a?
No. Uh-oh, that was a berry frog.
The batteries in the frog. Does she need new batteries for Lily? Mommy will put batteries in Lily.